Hi guys, welcome back to a series I'm calling Out of the Box. This is a series where I open all my dolls and toys and get them out of the box and onto the shelf. In my last video, I opened up Cleo, a Monster High playset, a Barbie Extra Mini playset, and a few fashionistas. In this video, I'll start with the Made to Move Barbies that I opened last time. I just wanted to say that I kept this one out. This is a redhead Made to Move Barbie. For some reason, I really like redhead dolls. I removed all the clothes from the other Made to Move Barbies, then I put them in the storage bin. The dolls in my storage bin will be the dolls that I don't have a place on the shelf for yet. Okay, let's get started unboxing some more dolls. First, we're going to start with the doll line that I feel is very underrated. That line would be the Hairmazing dolls. I have a really big collection of Hairmazing dolls. I would always pick up one when I went grocery shopping or when they went on sale. I always felt like these dolls were a bit underrated because for the price, they're pretty good quality. These dolls were always like $4.44, and then they would go on sale for $3 and $2. The bigger packs with the 7 dolls in it would be like $19.99, and then they would go on sale for like $10. So yeah, I would pick these up every time I got a chance. Yeah, I think these dolls would be good for beginners. I bought them so I can practice customizing. Recently, Just Play did make changes to their dolls. They used to have swim dolls that had on real swimsuits. They took away the real swimsuits and replaced them with painted on swimsuits. I'm not really happy about that, but they did replace them with fashion packs. I think the fashion packs are $3.97. So once they go on sale for like $2, maybe $1, then I'll try them because they're still kind of like cheap in quality. So I don't think they're worth $4. They did do one big fashion pack before they changed. I think this fashion pack was pretty good. It retailed for $19.99 and then it went on sale for $10. The quality of these clothes was a mix. Some was made with real cotton and some was made with that paper nylon material. Here's how the fashion pack looks open. I have one doll already open out of box and I'll be opening this one. With new dolls, I only use conditioner to wash their hair. Here's how she looks before I washed her hair. Here's how she looks after I washed her hair. I think these dolls do pretty good with the conditioner wash. Because their hair is a low grade nylon or poly, the curls tend to hold after washing really well. So yeah, I got some of my Hairmazing dolls out of the box. I really like these dolls. They're carefree. You don't have to worry about them. They're just fun, inexpensive, and easy to take care of. Next, I found this Addison Rae doll. She was $4 at Walmart. I got her for her clothing pieces, mainly her blue jacket. I thought I could use it as a bathrobe or spa days with my dolls. So I just found a blue ribbon, tied it around her waist, and made a robe out of her blue jacket. Next, I opened a few fashion balls and surprise toys. I used these pink bins I got from the Dollar Tree to store all the pieces from the surprise balls. As a new doll collector, I wanted to try a lot of different brands. This is the Sparkle Girl brand. I found this brand on Amazon. Here's how the playsets look inside the box. I feel like when you first start collecting, you have to buy a few different brands to really figure out which dolls you really like. Here's how the pet playset looks out of the box. This playset was on sale for $10.25. For the price of $10, I think this set was a pretty good set. It came with pretty good pieces. Some of the pieces was cardboard, but most of it was plastic. There was also 2 pets that came with this set. The dolls that came in this set was pretty good. Their hair was soft. I think it may be nylon, maybe saran, but it was soft hair. It's not poly. And their clothes was like a nylon cotton blend or a polyester and cotton blend. But yeah, the clothes are pretty good. The next set was a bakery set. This set was really good. It came with a lot of pieces also. Some of the pieces include Play-Doh and cookie cutters. They have changed this set. It doesn't come with Play-Doh anymore, and it looks like totally different. In my opinion, I think the newer one looks better. Here's how the new one looks. I think these are good play sets for the sale price around $10. Next, I got this Glitzeez doll. She was on sale for $5.34. Like all the rest of the dolls, she only has 5 points of articulation. She has on a real pretty purple ballerina-like dress. Here's how the box looks. Here's how she looks out of the box. These are the accessories that she comes with. This bow is made out of hair and is removable. Her hair is nylon and really soft. Her hair is also super long. As you can see, I also buy my affordable dolls on sale. Yeah, but if you can find any of these dolls on sale, I definitely think they're worth the sale price. Not so much the regular price. You just have to check Amazon. They go on and off sale all the time. I braided my doll's hair before I put her on the shelf. I think it turned out really cute. I think these dolls are worth trying out on sale. I would say no more than 10 for the play sets and no more than 5 for the single dolls. Maybe 6. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Bye.